Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete YouTube search history. It's actually a pretty easy thing to do, so let's head over to our YouTube application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account, and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. So once you're there, you will find your account, and there you will find the option of Google account just beside switch account option. So head over to Google account. So there you will find the search icon on the top right. Now search for YouTube history. And here you will find YouTube history under this one. So head over there. So here you'll find your YouTube history. So if you want to delete them, just go to manage history. And now what you need to do is just to tap on delete. It will arrive as a drop down box. So select of which range you want to delete. So I'm just deleting of today, delete today. And here the deletion is complete. That activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So yeah, this is how you can just delete your YouTube history. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.